Every step drains more of its precious energy.
Beneath the water, tiny cleaners sense an opportunity.
The exhausted animal enters nature's underwater clinic. Within seconds, the cleaning crew gets to work.
Each tiny bite removes another dangerous parasite.
For the first time in days, the pangolin relaxes.
But the battle isn't over yet. High above, another team of cleaners is watching. The birds launch their precision attack. Their specialized beaks reach places fish cannot. A remarkable cleanup operation unfolds.
Parasites disappear faster than ever before.
The animal trusts its tiny helpers completely. Even the most stubborn parasites cannot hide forever.
Nature's doctors keep working as conditions grow harsher.
Not even the rain can stop their mission. Strength slowly returns to the recovering survivor. The transformation is becoming impossible to ignore. Even other animals seem drawn to the remarkable scene. Hours of teamwork have completely changed its condition.
From river to sky, nature's cleanup crew works together.
Tiny helpers, extraordinary impact. Another survival story written by nature itself.